Hello friends, thank you for visiting my channel. Today I am going to talk about how to deal with failures. I am going to share one incident that recently happened with me, and then how I was able to respond to that, and then how that led into a positive frame of mindset. So one of my cousin called me, and we had a kind of casual talk, and then she was mentioning that she's feeling very bad because she was not got selected through campus. There were 2,000 people, and then they filtered it over the period of 4 or 5 days through different tests, and she was the part of final 12 candidates, and she did not crack the final round, and she lost the a good opportunity in MNC company, where it's kind of a company that she was feeling that it is a proud place to work with. And she told she don't want to attend any more campus interviews, and then she feels very bad that she's not good, and she was not well prepared, and she was not able to answer the questions the interview team has asked her. I just kept listening to her over a few minutes, and then I asked her what else. Then she told she's not feeling well. She don't want to prepare for exam, and she just want to drop everything. Um, then I just kept listening to her quietly for some time, and then after that I told her, can I respond to it if I was in your place, what I would do. So I told her that the interview that you gave is just another opportunity that you tested yourself against what is you have prepared, whether that is sufficient or not. And then I told her that these are going to happen because this is the world where everybody is competing, and everybody want to do well, and everybody is preparing for that same post. There are 2,000 people sitting for campus interview for just that company. So that means there is a lot of people, aspirants, and ambitious people are attending for that, and they are aspiring to be hired by those particular company through the pooled campus pool. So pooled campus interviews. So what it does is, clearly I had a good conversation with her. I would like to share that with you here so that you get benefited out of it. So it is the interview that she faced is an opportunity for her to test her ability against the other peers. Means you are competing among all of them, and then you made it to last 12. That itself is a great achievement. But one thing what I suggested her, you go back to your friends who got selected, talk to them, how did they crack, what was their experience, what did they learn from that particular campus interview, and then what they did differently than what you are doing, so that you know that where are the gaps, and by next campus interview you are prepared, and then you are ready to go for it. So there is no point in giving it up for just a one the campus interview that you did not crack, because it took a lot of years to reach to a graduation. It took a lot of effort to pass those academics, go through the requirements of the academic exams and tests, competition, and all that. With all that, you have reached to a level of attending a campus interview. So it doesn't stop at one failure, so you should keep going. That if you fail at first attempt, try second attempt. If you failed from second attempt, try the third one. You just need to learn from how what was that you did not do well, and how can you cover it, how can you learn from that previous failure, and then move forward from there. So I was telling her the story of cobweb. So cobweb, it doesn't stop at one failure. So if it makes an attempt and it doesn't happen, then it comes with a more rigor, more well prepared, then you are more ready to go through and answer those things. So she was so happy after that conversation. She told, definitely I will go and talk to my friends and see that what I had prepared and what they prepared. And I also told her, go and talk to your teachers and get all the information. They are there to help you. So get all the information, make sure that you click that. Then also after that, I shared her this quote, famous quote from Bob Feller, that every day is a new opportunity. You can build on yesterday's success, or part its failures behind and start over again. That's the way life is, with a new game every day, and that's the way baseball is. So that means every day is a new opportunity. So whatever has happened yesterday, you have to take a learning from that and then keep moving, improving, so that you achieve your goals. So that really made her happy. Hope this incident helps you as well. Thank you guys for listening to that story. Hope that helps you also, and draw some similarities, the incident that you face. And the one failure doesn't make you a person good or bad. It is just an incident. You just take a learning from that, and then you prepare for the next one better than what you prepared for the this one. So sometimes luck also matters. Sometimes you may come across things that you have not known about it. So that you have to take in your stride as a learning, and then move from there. So thank you all. Have a wonderful weekend. See you with the next video.